When I started to be conscious about learning French, my second language, one of the aspects in which I struggled a lot was the concordance des temps, comme on l'appelle, meaning the sequence of tenses. And I have to admit, it was even more difficult for me learning to speak English. What about you?
Comment nous y? Bienvenue à la chaîne YouTube préférée nous. Hello. Welcome to your favorite YouTube channel. Hola. Bienvenido à tu canal de YouTube favorito. Salut. Bienvenue à votre chaîne de YouTube préférée.
Hello, welcome to our favorite YouTube channel. Welcome back to Learn Pam. My name is Luna or LP. In today's video, we're going to talk more about verb tenses. I would like to present them in a graphic table and use one or two examples to keep the video length to the minimum. And without delay, let's see them right quick. Let's go. En allez.
La salive, no you cannot wake up. Your melody is your plan. Qui est grand?
Hello, it's your host Luna and welcome back to Learn Club. Alright, to indicate time in Creole, we use what we call marker, and this is one of the reasons why I call Haitian Creole the easiest language on earth. Let's view them with me. For present tense, we're gonna see simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. So, simple present, it's like I say, for example, moi manger. And do we have any marker for simple present? No. The answer is no. I can say no, or I say not applicable. And one example would be moi manger. Moi manger. So, moi manger or I eat. Right? Now, for present continuous, do we have any marker? Yes, we do. And the marker we use is a. A. Like AP A. And one example would be, if I keep the same verb, I will say, moi a manger, meaning I am eating. I am eating. Okay? Well, moi a manger. I am eating. So to indicate the continuity of the action, we use the word a. The marker is a. And it's placed before the verb. Moi a manger. I am eating. Okay. For present perfect, do we have any marker? I will say no. Although if you use Google Translate, you will see they use te. But you know, Creole parler, Creole comprendre. Meaning you have to be, Haitian, you have to speak Creole to understand Creole. And one of the reasons is like, if I ask a question like, est-ce que vous mangez déjà? And you want to say, I have eaten already, you will not say, moi t'ai mangé déjà. That's why I said, Google Translate will use te, but not for our station. We will say, moi mangé déjà. So, using the word déjà can indicate the past with with the present tense, but we don't indicate it with the te like we did for the past. So I would say no. And I would say one example is moins manger déjà. Moins manger déjà. Meaning, I have eaten. I have eaten. And we can say already. Okay? I have eaten already. I have eaten already. So if you see, it's just like we use déjà or we can use bientôt. It's like really like the simple the present, but with some additional word to indicate some passing of time. And we use déjà or bientôt. So those are the things we can use. But there's like no marker for present perfect. Moins manger déjà. Moins bientôt baigner. I have showered already. Moins bientôt baigner. I have showered. Okay? Moins bientôt baigner. Alright. Let's go for present perfect continuous. For present perfect continuous, do we have any marker? It's yes. So we're gonna go back to the app, right? But we're gonna combine the app and anything that we use here to make the perfect and continuity. So app will be the marker. And if I'm gonna keep this, the example will be moins à manger longtemps. Moins à manger longtemps. Moins à manger longtemps. Meaning, I have been eating. I have been eating. Alright? Moins à manger longtemps. Okay. So you see, I have been eating since 2 this morning. I have been eating since the last 3 hours. Moins à manger longtemps. Longtemps. Moi, à manger depuis 3 heures du matin. Moi, à manger depuis 2 heures qui finissent passer là. If we do a recap in this present tense, we see simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. No marker for the simple present. Moi, manger. I eat. Moi, parler. I speak. And for present continuous, we use the marker app. Moi ap manger. I am eating. Moi ap parler. I am speaking. So for present perfect, if you use Google, you will see they use te. But for us, we know there's no te. If we want to translate this, if we want to express this idea, there's no te. It means like we can use some complementary word, like I said, to indicate some passing of time, like déjà, longtemps, bientôt, we will see that. So, moins manger déjà. I have eaten already. So, for present perfect continuous, we go back to the app, which indicates the continuity of the action. App is the main marker here, and we use that, and we use some other word to make it to indicate what you translate as I have been eating. We will say moi ap manger longtemps. Moi ap manger depuis des heures. I have been eating since 2 hours ago. Alright?
Hello, this now concludes this video lesson. I apologize for bringing you a video relatively long, but I could have not cut it in the middle. With that being said, let's make this now a series, since past and future tense videos are going to be about the same length. Thank you for watching. See you on the next.
Moun yo ki ba abone ya, se kompon yo ba kompon sa ki abone ya. Abone se subscribe. Le we si rating la, se pou peze, apre sa ou deja abone. Apre sa wap we tout lot an video ki poste ya. Bye guys, I love you. Maman. See you in the next video.